Hey friends, welcome. If it's your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. And if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. So today I'm going to do a project share. I was getting ready to start wrapping all of these and packaging them. So I realized there are some that I didn't do videos on and I didn't share. So I thought that I would just show them to you and share for, maybe some ideas or something. Okay. So move this out of the way. All right, I'll start with this one. So this is a Starbucks badge reel. And the badge reels I pick up at the Dollar Tree. They have a few different colors and they come 3 in a pack. So they're about 33 cents a piece, which I feel like is a good deal. And I really like this. This came out super cool. So I did a fall time, I don't remember the exact name of it, but it's like a pumpkin glitter through here. And then you can see I had cut some little pumpkin spice logos and I put on the sides here. And then my silver glitter here. And then I did the Starbucks logo. So I do know that in the camera, sometimes it's a little bit harder to see with the lighting and stuff because the glitter is so sparkly. So I'm hoping you're able to see it, but the logo is actually very easy to see on the piece itself. And I like the clear sticker paper on it because I just think that it looks really nice, allowing all of that silver glitter to come through. So I like it a lot. And then I have the coffee beans here. So the coffee beans I did cover in epoxy prior to attaching them on. And then I did the bow in the same silver. So this piece turned out really cute. So the next one I'm going to share is this one here. So of course we've got Cruella DeVille here, as you can see. And we did a half silver and half black with a red bow and then some little red puppy paws there. And then Cruella's in the center. So this came out really cute. Put a black pop socket on it. Again, my phone pops are from Glitter Chip. They're 55 cents a piece. I like to buy them from there because, first of all, I like the 3M tape. I know that it's extremely durable. And they've all worked really well that I've ever gotten from them. And I like the fact that they come in so many different colors. So I can, match my projects really well. So that's why I buy them from there. So then next we'll do these guys here. I think I have one more if I can. Oh, there it is. So these are also pop sockets. And these colors, look how beautiful these colors are. I know the writing may be a little challenging to see with all the sparkle on the camera, but this says, give a girl the right shoes and she can conquer the world. Now, the one thing I will tell you that I wish I had done differently on these, so it's very easily readable. However, I did this using my Cricut and I did a print and cut because I already had this in, my Cricut design space. But I forgot to turn off the bleed. So if you're going to be doing words on, like, it's a clear sticker paper, so I did it that way because I don't have to worry about going in and cutting around all the words or weeding around the words. But if you do that and you're going to just, cut your words out in a circle like this, you got to turn off the bleed because it makes your words a little bit wider than they need to be because it expects you to be cutting around them. So I did forget to turn off the bleed on these, so they are a little bit like thicker in the letters than I wanted, but they still turned out really cute. And these have lots of, different little diamonds and stuff through there. And they turned out super, super good. And look, the colors are just so pretty. I just love glitter. The colors are just beautiful. So there are those. And then we have this guy. So this one is, of course, a keychain. And this is a like a iridescent foil glitter. And turned out really cute. So on this one, I actually just printed the picture on to cardstock. And I really just wanted to see how it would turn out. And it turned out really well. The only thing I am thinking, though, that next time I might do it on photo paper instead. I feel like it might be just a little bit brighter if I did it on photo paper. And I did not seal it prior to putting it on. However, definitely if you're going to do this and use cardstock, make sure that your bottom layer of epoxy, like the glitter, dries first, because otherwise the moisture of it will come up through the bottom and you can end up with spots and stuff on your cardstock. But this turned out really, really cute, and I'm definitely still happy with it. So now we have Olaf. I love Olaf. He is so sweet. And for him, the glitter that I used is actually called Olaf. And it is from the Glitzy Glitter Gal. I haven't bought glitter from there in a long time. I bought this probably, well over a year ago, maybe even close to 2 years, not even sure. So I don't even know if it's still like a business. But it was called the Glitzy Glitter Gal. Anyways, it's a really, pretty color. And then I did just some decals here. And then these ones here are embellishments. It's from Recollections Glitter, and it's in the glitter aisle. I got these from Michael's. And they're just little snowflakes that are, like in a little glitter jar. Super cute. And of course, Olaf. So this turned out really, really, really cute. All right, so this guy here, I love this guy. So if you know, you know. If you don't, I will tell you. This is the door from Friends. So if you ever watch Friends, on their door, they have the yellow picture frame around the peephole. So this turned out really cute. I have a picture frame mold, and it's got a bunch of, different little picture frames. And I bought it actually to do this. I thought it would be really cute. Now, the pop socket, I put the glitter directly on the pop socket. And since I was doing that, I initially put it on using UV resin because I didn't want it to drip everywhere. So I did UV resin on it. And then also these are just little eye rings that I put on to make that. And I did the UV resin with that also. And then I went back in, and because I personally don't like the complete finish of UV resin over glitter, so I did go back in and just put some epoxy over it afterwards when I didn't have to worry. I put a little bit of electrical tape like up around the pop socket itself, and then put that in. So, but I thought that this was a really cute idea. I actually bought this mold just to make these pop sockets. So I thought it was really cute. Let's see. All right, so our next one is Ursula. So for Ursula, it's like this blackish green color glitter that I have, and then a purple. Now, do you see the music notes in there? They're, black on top of the purple. But, so this is really cool. I have a tiny little mold. It's like this big, and it's got a few different music notes in it. I got it from AliExpress. I have seen them on Amazon though. So I just stuck some resin in there, and that's how I made the music notes to put on it. And then there's some over here also. And then I used a holographic vinyl from Cricut and I used my Cricut to do the Poor Unfortunate Soul, put that on there. And then I did like some little starfish through there, and of course Ursula. So I love it. I think it turned out really, really pretty. And the glitter, this glitter is just so nice. So I have been asked about the embellishments. I said I would do a video on them if people wanted to see them. And I've had a couple people ask. So tomorrow the video that I'm putting up tomorrow will be, you know, the different embellishments, and I'll show you. Okay. And do we have anybody else? Yes. So we have Belle. So this is my Beauty and the Beast. I used a gold glitter. And then on the next layer, I did some, sorry, it's sort of hard to tell through the camera because of how sparkly it is. So I did some rose petals. And then I don't know if you can see, I also put like pearl, and then there's like some gold hearts. I put some other little embellishments in there, and then I put the epoxy, and I put these 3 little roses and covered them. And then on the next layer I did the cloche with the rose, and I did another rose here. Then I put the epoxy over that, and then I did another layer of epoxy around the flowers to make sure they were completely epoxied on. And this just really turned out super, super cute. So I like this a lot. It's one of my favorites. So I think that's all of them that I haven't shown you. These others I've done videos on, so you've seen this one here, this guy, Tiana. This was actually my last video. We've done this one, our bee pop sockets. We did our case. Let's see, we did this one, and we've done these ones. And so that's all of them. And so now I'm going to start packaging them up. And listen, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. Thank you so much, friends, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.